One more. So what is a chiropractic adjustment? By definition, a chiropractic adjustment is a therapeutic modality where a licensed chiropractor manipulates the joints in your body. This treatment is also called spinal manipulation or joint manipulation. A chiropractic adjustment can help reduce pain and also correct your body's alignment, so you can not only feel better, but function better. So what does that look like? Come and see, and I'll show you. Hi everyone, this is Valerie. Today she's getting her first chiropractic adjustment. Are you ready?
Yes.
Beautiful. All right, we'll go face down. So what I'm doing now is finding where the misalignments are and where it's tender areas, like right there. Right. I want you to go ear to shoulder as much as you can. Beautiful.